Hi everybody, in this video, we will see how a talented family builds a storm shelter. We cover the entire construction process in detail from start to finish. Maybe you can learn the basic features for your own storm shelter project that you plan to do one day. These shelters are a safe haven for your family during severe weather events. Underground storm shelters can be built a meter or more underground. They are usually constructed from sturdy materials such as concrete, steel, or wood. The yakisuji technique is used in this production. Yakisuji is a wood burning technique. Although it is thought that the burning process will weaken the structure of the wood, on the contrary, it strengthens it even more. For the main structure of the cellar, they build a rectangular 3x6 wooden cabinet using southern yellow pine. If you are considering building a shelter, it is important to do your research and make the right decision for your needs. When the wood has been completely isolated, the shelter is dragged to the trench. In addition, it is important to eliminate any element that could break or damage the floor of the structure, since it would almost irreparably harm the insulation and useful life of the wood once buried. Insulating an underground storm shelter is very important. Choosing and installing the right type of insulation for your needs is a mastery. Generally speaking, it would take a middle-aged man 100 to 120 hours to dig and refill a 42 cubic meters hole. However, such work is being greatly accelerated thanks to technological advances in heavy machinery. As you can see, Tick Creek Ranch family is doing a wonderful work on this land. They're a family of 8 which lifestyle has taken them from the deserts of Idaho to the wilds of Alaska. If you want to build an underground storm shelter, there are some things you should pay attention to first. Assess the hazards in your area. Determine the size and location of the shelter. It is less expensive than wood, concrete, or steel, making it a budget-friendly option. It is also easier to cut and install than other materials, making the construction process faster. If you are considering building an underground storm shelter out of wood, use high-quality, engineered wood. Choose wood that is resistant to rot, insect infestation, and fungus. To ensure that the shelter is sturdy and safe, experience is required. You should also be skilled in carpentry. Building an underground storm shelter is a great investment to protect your family from natural disasters and other hazards. Underground storm shelters can be equipped with supplies such as emergency supplies, food, and water. They can also include basic amenities such as toilets, sinks, and sleeping places. The family has been running their own businesses for years, ranging from carpentry and excavation to commercial and residential landscaping. They are also passionate about learning new skills, including leatherworking, welding and fabrication, cabinetry, plumbing, electrical, and more. This underground storm shelter they built turned out great. For those who want to reach the family, information is available in the statement. See you in the new videos.